The DJI Avata 360 is not just another drone leak floating around the internet. It feels like the early signs of a major shift in how FPV drones are designed and used. From the moment the first leaked images and insider details surfaced, it became clear that DJI isn't simply refining an existing idea this time. Instead, the company appears to be combining two powerful creative technologies into one compact flying platform: immersive FPV flight and full 360-degree video capture. This combination alone has sparked serious excitement among creators, filmmakers, and FPV enthusiasts. Even at this early leak stage, the Avata 360 looks unusually polished and confident. The familiar duck design suggests DJI is staying loyal to the Avata's safe, cinematic flying philosophy, but underneath that familiar shell is technology that could completely change aerial storytelling. Early prototype leaks caused confusion and speculation, but as more consistent information emerged, one thing became obvious. This is not just an Avata refresh. The DJI Avata 360 feels like DJI experimenting with a bold new creative vision for FPV flying heading into 2026. At the heart of the DJI Avata 360 is its most talked about feature: a fully integrated 360-degree camera system. This single addition completely transforms how FPV footage can be captured. Traditional FPV drones demand perfect framing during the flight, forcing pilots to constantly think about camera angles while flying at high speeds. The Avata 360 changes that approach entirely. With full 360 capture, creators can record everything around the drone and decide on framing later during editing. This allows pilots to focus purely on flight paths, movement, and creativity rather than worrying about where the camera is pointed at every second. For cinematic creators, this opens the door to far more experimental shots, smoother transitions, and bold FPV lines that were previously difficult to execute. Leaks suggest the 360 footage quality will be one of the drone's biggest strengths. Early reports point toward sharp detail, strong dynamic range, and excellent stabilization, even during aggressive maneuvers like dives, rolls, flips, and rapid directional changes. Whether flying through tight indoor spaces, dense forests, or open landscapes, the footage is expected to remain smooth, immersive, and highly usable. One of the smartest design choices revealed so far is how DJI has handled camera protection. According to leaks, the Avata 360 uses a rotating gimbal mechanism that flips the lower lens upward when it's not actively in use. This protects the lens during landings and high-risk flights, and also explains why early leaked images didn't clearly show a 360 camera setup. It's a clever engineering solution that balances durability with advanced imaging and highlights DJI's experience in building creator-focused hardware. Flight performance is another area where the Avata 360 is expected to impress. Early information points to responsive controls, solid wind resistance, and strong overall stability. The drone retains the duck design that made the Avata series popular, adding confidence during close-range flying and indoor shots. This design makes it far more forgiving than traditional FPV drones, especially for newer pilots. Paired with DJI's FPV goggles and motion controller, the Avata 360 is expected to deliver an immersive yet approachable flying experience. Beginners can get comfortable quickly, while experienced pilots still have enough responsiveness and power to push creative boundaries. Safety remains a major focus as well. Built-in propeller guards help reduce damage during tight flights, and intelligent sensors add an extra layer of protection. This makes the Avata 360 especially appealing to creators who want cinematic FPV footage without the complexity and risk of custom FPV builds. Leaked promotional material also suggests DJI is positioning the Avata 360 as a polished, ready-to-use creative tool rather than a niche FPV experiment. The confidence behind the Avata 360 branding hints that this product is much further along in development than many expected. When you look at everything together, the DJI Avata 360 feels far more ambitious than a typical drone update. By merging immersive FPV flight with full 360-degree video capture, DJI could be setting a new standard for aerial content creation in 2026. If these leaks are accurate, this drone has the potential to change how cinematic FPV footage is shot, edited, and experienced. For YouTubers, filmmakers, and creators who want stunning visuals without the hassle of building and tuning custom FPV drones, the Avata 360 could be a true game changer. Its smart camera protection system, stable flight performance, and beginner-friendly design all point toward creative freedom with fewer compromises. It's fast, smooth, and clearly built with modern content creation in mind. As anticipation continues to grow, the DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of DJI's most exciting and talked about upcoming drones yet. For more exclusive drone leaks, honest breakdowns, and the latest upcoming tech, make sure to subscribe to Technify. We'll keep bringing you the leaks and insights you won't want to miss.